Hello, what's in your project calendar? Today's preview is going to be the ultimate project calendar in Pool Pro Office, the most productive project calendar available today. I bet your calendar can't do what our calendar can do. There are three major calendars in Pool Pro Office. One would be in the appointment for leads and sales appointments, in projects to manage and schedule your projects out, and also in service and warranty. So there's three major calendar views. They really all go to the exact same spot on a live digital calendar available to preview your office with everything that's going on. We'll go ahead and click a project calendar. And it's going to preview what I have completed in blues, what I have begun in greens, and what I have scheduled in advance in the yellows, waiting. And we also have issues. That one failed a inspection. And we also have stalled. And we also have paid and billed. So they're all color codes, so you know exactly what's going on with each particular project milestone. The calendar is viewable in monthly view, weekly view, daily view, and also horizon view. So if you like that Gantt chart, it will show everything you have scheduled in horizon view by how many days you want to build the schedule out. And we also have a graph of those project milestones in numbers and where you have openings to schedule something else out. But let's get started on beginning. What makes this calendar unique to, let's say, Google Calendars or your Outlook calendar or anything else? Productivity. Not only do we see everything color-coded, we can drag and drop and modify the dates automatically back in the project folder. So drag and drop is available. Most importantly, what makes it the most productive calendar is if I click on a milestone and go to the magic wheel, from the calendar I can create a construction work order for this event. I could send the customer out a text. I could send the customer out an email. If I had built a SMS text template or an email template, I could send those out. I could go to the project milestones and schedule next phase out, view my construction work specifications, or pull up the customer's phone number, all from within the calendar. So I do not need to navigate back to project folders from the calendar to do most all aspects of scheduling a project out. For example, if I click project milestones, it's going to bring up today's the schedule for this particular project, and all I have to do is click on a start date and it will add that to the schedule. And when I close, it puts me right back into the calendar schedule again and refreshes it. So it's extremely easy to modify this calendar and adjust it directly from the calendar view. If I have something that's going to take more than the date scheduled I have on it, for example, this water feature I need to extend out another day, all I got to do is drag it and it extends that scheduled date for that time. You can schedule out in advance. In this calendar, we can also sort and filter by text. Let's say if I want to filter this by the project itself, all I got to do is start typing the customer's name, and usually 3 to 4 characters it is filtered all the PESA project. Let's say I wanted to filter by deck. All I got to do is start writing deck. So it's filtered by text. It will filter this calendar by person, by milestone, by customer, by who was assigned to this. So you can filter your calendar any which way you want, or by status. So unlimited filter capabilities. The next thing that makes this unique is once I'm in the project calendar, Let me go back here and eliminate that text so we view it all. I can add to my calendar. Let's say I'm in calendar for projects, but I need to see what my sales appointments are. Now all of a sudden, added to the calendar are my $ icons that show me these are sales appointments. Same thing, has a magic wheel. I can go to that lead detail, or I can send a text or a email to that client. I could add my construction work orders. My construction work orders are work orders I've created for a subcontractor accomplish something, and I can manage the status and also keep notes. So if I keep a note in any aspect, for example, 3x5 waterfall, it's going to give me that note. It's also syncs with the schedule tab in each project folder, and also the digital job board. Let's say I add company-wide events. This could be for internal meetings, company-wide events, you name it. You create an event and then you add it to the calendar. We want to add our service and warranty calls. Now, all my service and warranty calls are added to this calendar, and they all have this red medic truck letting me know that it's a service call. So even though I'm viewing every aspect of my organization, from construction to service to sales, work orders, and company events, I know which ones apply to which type of project it is or milestone. So now I have a fully color-coded week. I know what's been completed, what's started, what's scheduled in advance. I know I have a problem with an inspection because it's orange with an issue. I know this one was paid. So it lets you know by color code status every aspect of your organization all in one view, period. There again, you have the filter by text. So if I wanted to look at on service, J Straub, there's J Straub's service calls. Another feature of it is I can at any time go to any project folder and view anything in that project folder or schedule from the project folder, and when I close, I stay in the calendar. So why is it the most productive? Because you can do every aspect you need to accomplish to schedule a project forward and know every aspect of what's going on in your organization. This is an excellent management tool. This management tool for management lets management know everything that's going on within their organization and what the current status is of this ultimate project calendar. You can create company-wide events. You can also open up and view any service orders that have not been scheduled and schedule them forward. So if you've taken a service call and you didn't apply a date to it yet, you can open up those open service calls and schedule them out. There again, like I said, you can have daily view, weekly view, horizon view, monthly view, and another option is actually live shareable calendars through a URL to subcontractors that you might want to share this calendar to, or your builder contractors. That option is available to create a live shareable calendar for them to view. They can't edit it, but they can view it. We can also go back in time. So this stores a record of everything that happens in your organization, every date for the lifetime of your database. It is spectacular. Most importantly, it is the most productive calendar available. So that's the ultimate project calendar for you to work within. Increase your productivity, increase your communications from the calendar, and give greater customer support and project management. Thank you, and have a great afternoon or evening.